Good morning, dear students. How are you? Now, after Eid vacation, we started now already our summer camp. Today, our summer camp topic is related to our human body. In previous session, we learned about the digestion of food. Okay, we can start now our today's topic. On that day, we learn about that food from outside we take inside, that is called ingestion. Then after, food will go a long process that is called as digestion. After digestion, food converted into simpler form. These simpler form of the food absorbed in the blood and with the help of blood transported to the cell where it is shifted into the cell or tissues, that is called assimilation, and whatever the undigested food or unwanted food items left over, that is thrown out by our body, that is called egestion. So, I told this here or repeat this because when the food item after digestion it will reach to the cell or the tissues, what happened there and how we get the energy from these food items, because we learn food gives us energy. Got it? In assimilation, the digested food items mean or converted food into the simpler form came into the blood and with the help of blood come into the cell or the tissues. Here it is ready to burn, and by burning it will produce the energy, because if we will get any fuel like coal, wood, if we will not burn we cannot get the heat energy. Like that our food will burn in our tissues or the cell, that we will learn here. How that burning will be started in our cell, we will learn about that, and those processes are called as breathing or respiration. Okay, so respiration we will start. Breathing is a part of respiration. For burning, as you know, which gas is important for burning of anything? You will say oxygen, not simply say air, because air is the mixture of different gases: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, other gases, dust, and other particles like water vapor. Got it? Now, air or especially oxygen is very important for the burning. What we will learn today during this session, we will learn about breathing, inspiration, expiration, and then after respiration, and what is the difference between respiration and breathing. Got it? We learn that every organism, especially living organism, from unicellular bacteria or amoeba to the multicellular human beings and other animals, need the air for the survival. Means all the living things need air to breathe. You learn in primary classes. That is called respiration. And this respiration performed in our body with the help of an organized group of special organs that are called as respiratory organs or respiratory system. Understood? Means we will take the air inside our lungs and use that air for our burning of food items, which is come into the cell with the help of digestive system and circulatory system. Digestive system convert the food items into the simpler form. These simpler form of the food absorbed by the blood, and blood is the part of circulatory system. These blood send the food item, simpler form of the food item, into the cell. The now food items are resting and taking or get the position in the cell and ready for burning to produce the energy. Who will burn? Air, or especially oxygen gas. So how we will bring the oxygen gas in the cell, we will learn here. Got it? Now today's topic. Okay. So what is the human respiratory system? It is a group of different organs which perform the taking air inside our body and taking the given out the carbon dioxide gas to the environment from our body. It is called as human respiratory system. Before the process, we will learn about little introduction about the respiratory system. You can touch your nose, that is called external nostril. Simply we can say that is nose. It is the place from where air will go inside our body. After the nostril or nose, there is the chamber that is called nasal chamber. After this chamber, there is the pharynx or a space that is called buccal cavity, means your mouth. When you open your mouth and can see in the mirror, there is the space that is buccal cavity. Okay, larynx, another part of the respiratory system. It is called as sound box in our body, which produces the sound, means which we are talking, communicating. That is called a function of larynx. Epiglottis. It is cover like or flip like or lid of any utensils or any bottle. When the food by mistake it will try or it will go into the air pipe or windpipe, then this epiglottis of cover the windpipe and thrown out the food into our buccal cavity, and it save the windpipe from the food. Now that windpipe, that is called as trachea. In a simple language, it is called as windpipe. You can touch your neck and feel the trachea. It is made up of the cartilage and feeling you hard something near your neck. That is windpipe. Windpipe, it is called trachea. Now it will, when it is reach in our lungs, divided into two parts. That two parts are called as bronchi. Next, these bronchs again bifurcate, split into the thin pipe-like structure, that is called, those are called as bronchioles. Got it? Now those bronchioles reach to the small space in the lungs, that those are called as alveoli. Got it? And numerous, means many alveoli make our lungs. And what is the lungs? A pair of lungs which are sac-like structure, spongy, and covered with the double layer membrane, that is called as pleural membrane. Pleural membrane. Here you can see the our respiratory system. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there, and downside number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is written what is there. Okay,